So let's dive into what kind of content you can make to stay connected and provide value to your captive audience. Okay, so now is a better time than ever to jump into making your own videos. And any other different time, I would say you should probably take an online course or watch a couple YouTube videos to figure out how to enhance the quality of your videos. But right now, having any kind of video is better than having no kind of video. You can make videos right now using your cell phone and available window light, and just make sure that you're focused on your message so that you can always be providing value or entertainment to your audience. So tell a story, educate them with an explainer video, or do something entertaining, or just connect with your audience and just make sure it's within your brand's parameters. For example, if you're a chiropractor right now, you can make daily videos on simple health tips or daily exercises. And maybe if you're a hairdresser, you can start to make some explainer videos of how to do certain updos or hairstyles, or even, God forbid, you could make a video on how to dye your own hair while in a quarantine. You can even do this with live webinars, and that will offer you a chance to be closer to your community than you have been. And you can provide this value that you'll find that by interacting with all these people and getting their feedback live, you will be re-energized, and you'll find that your glass will remain half full throughout all this uncertainty. Your goal here is to be a source of information or entertainment to keep your customers engaged in sharing your content. That being said, it's not necessarily the time to be soliciting business. We need to pay attention to the tone of our message and make sure that we're not being insensitive to what's happening right now. So with that, let's talk about email content. Use your customers' inboxes to inform them, provide help, support, entertainment, or just share something that will help make them smile. Use this opportunity to share how you're taking any special precautions as a company and share any relevant information to your customers that they might find helpful. Next, use your social channels to connect, not just with your audience, but with your industry. Right now, we need to come together hand in hand, figure out how to help each other out, how to pull ourselves out of this, how to pivot our businesses, look to build strong connections with these people, because guys, the world is changing very quickly for us, and we need to come together to figure out how to fix this and how to help each other. So utilize your social networking for that. It's also the time to look back at your company mission and be genuine. This is where like being a human comes into play. You gotta take your business hat off for a second, be a neighbor, be a friend, help out, but you have a business and you have a platform that you can do that from. So that's what you should be focused on your social content. So whatever kind of content you end up making, just please make sure that you're not tone deaf. Don't be soliciting for business. Don't think that everyone's sitting home just waiting to give you money. Of course, we're all gonna get through this. We can all support each other. We all have resources that we can go to, but make sure that you are on point with what you're trying to say. Think about what you're saying before you say it, and just make sure that you are doing this for the greater good first. So use this time to be creative, step outside of your comfort zone, learn something new, make something you've never done before, try to DIY, get things out there, make some content. We wanna see you. Hey guys, thanks for checking out this video. I hope this helped on how to figure out what to do for making content right now in a quarantine. So let's stay in and do it.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and be sure to check out more of our videos and catch us on our podcast. Let's do it.